If your team still runs half its operations out of spreadsheets, you have probably looked for a tool that feels familiar but adds more power. Airtable and Smartsheet are two of the biggest names in that space. Both bridge the gap between spreadsheets and databases, helping teams track projects, operations, and workflows in smarter ways. But they take different paths to get there. Let's start with Airtable. Airtable looks and feels like a spreadsheet, but underneath, it is really a database. You can link records, attach files, and view data in tables, calendars, galleries, and Kanban boards. It is flexible, visual, and friendly to non-technical teams. Many operations teams love it because they can start quickly with a spreadsheet import and then build out automations, forms, and views as they grow. Airtable's Interface Designer lets you create custom dashboards or lightweight apps without coding. Integrations are another strength. You can connect Airtable with tools like Slack, Gmail, or project systems, automating data updates and notifications. The free version is generous enough to start, and its paid tiers unlock more records, automation runs, and advanced permissions. Airtable shines when you need structure and speed without sacrificing creativity. Smartsheet, on the other hand, feels more traditional. It looks closer to Excel, but adds serious power for collaboration and reporting. Smartsheet is built for operational control, not just flexibility. You can set dependencies, create Gantt charts, track resource usage, and build automated workflows that keep teams accountable. It also supports large datasets and complex reporting, which appeals to bigger teams or those in industries like construction, logistics, and enterprise operations. Smartsheet's dashboards give leaders real-time insights into performance and progress. It integrates with tools like Microsoft Teams, Salesforce, and Jira, helping operations leaders connect planning to execution. The platform feels more structured and formal than Airtable, making it ideal for teams that value precision and governance. When deciding between them, it comes down to how your team works. Airtable is perfect if you want creativity, quick setup, and flexible workflows that grow as your needs change. It is great for startups or small operations teams that want to move fast and keep things visual. Smartsheet fits teams that need order, oversight, and enterprise-grade control. It is more rigid, but also more powerful for planning, tracking, and reporting complex processes. If you think of Airtable as a blank canvas for building anything, Smartsheet is the disciplined project manager that keeps everyone aligned. Both can replace messy spreadsheets, reduce errors, and centralize your data. The best choice depends on whether your operations team values freedom or structure. Either way, both tools help turn spreadsheets into smart, connected systems that make your business run smoother.